Hi, I'm President Paula Pando inviting you to Ride Along with Reynolds, a regular update on where the college is heading, who's joining us for the journey, and why it matters for our students and community. Welcome to a brand new year at Reynolds. Our campuses were hopping this summer with nearly 5,000 students enrolled in summer classes, major renovation projects across our campuses, and special visitors who brought even more energy and inspiration. One of the highlights was welcoming Girls for a Change. Nearly 30 young women between the ages of 10 and 14, along with CEO Angela Patton and her team, spent the day exploring our classrooms and labs and trying out new technologies, connecting with inspiring faculty and students, and most importantly, getting a real taste of what college feels like. Girls for a Change does tremendous work in our region, and we were proud to give these young women the chance to picture themselves as future college students. The joy on their faces as they imagined new possibilities was a reminder of the powerful role Reynolds plays in opening doors to opportunity. That momentum carried straight into the fall, where we are celebrating our highest enrollment in nearly a decade. Reynolds is seeing strong growth in transfer and career and technical programs, with healthcare leading the surge. These students are preparing for bright futures while helping meet critical workforce needs in our community. And while students were arriving in record numbers, faculty were preparing for them. In August, they came together for Back to the Nest, 3 days of professional development and peer learning organized by the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning. Sessions explored AI-enhanced project-based learning and effective assessments, tools that help faculty deliver an outstanding contemporary education to our students. And students are already diving into campus life, joining clubs, finding new study spots, and enjoying our newly renovated student commons and gathering spaces. Our flock parties are back too, with food, music, and activities, and with faculty and staff, and yes, a Red Hawk named Sarge, showing up in full force to greet new students and welcome back returning ones. Students, you've got this. And we've got you. We've got a fantastic year ahead, and I'm thrilled you're joining us for the ride. See you next month.